Video, I'm going to teach you how to change your workspace time zone in Shortcut. Getting your time zone right keeps story due dates, cycle times, and activity timestamps consistent across your team so everyone is looking at the same clock. To begin, open Shortcut. You can use the desktop app or the browser version, whichever you prefer. Once you're in, focus on the left sidebar. This is the main navigation area. If it looks minimized, hover or click to expand it so you can see all the options clearly. Next, click Settings. You'll usually find this with a gear icon in the sidebar. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Workspace Settings. Under that heading, choose General Settings. This is where organization-wide preferences live, including time configuration. Give the General Settings page a moment to load. Larger workspaces or slower connections can take a second, and that's normal. When the page is ready, locate the control labeled UTC Seat Offset. UTC stands for Coordinated Universal Time, the global standard that other time zones are measured against. An offset is simply how many hours ahead of or behind UTC your local time is. For example, UTC 5 means 5 hours behind UTC. UTC plus 9 means 9 hours ahead. Click the Time Zone drop-down menu next to UTC Offset. You'll see a list of available options arranged by their offsets, and in many cases, you'll also see representative cities to help you recognize the correct region. Scroll through the list carefully. If your area observes daylight saving time, pick the option that matches your local clock right now. If your team operates in a single home base, use the offset for that location so all reports and schedules line up with the team norm. When you find the correct match, select your UTC and the offset. That choice tells Shortcut how to display dates and times for things like story creation, due dates, sprint boundaries, and activity logs. Once selected, you should notice time-based information reflecting your chosen offset across the workspace. If you ever work remotely from a different region or move permanently, you can return to this same general settings page and adjust the UTC offset the same way. And if you're unsure about your current offset, a quick check against your device's system time and a reliable world clock can confirm it. That's it. You've updated your workspace time zone in Shortcut, keeping your project timelines accurate for you and your team.